What's going on, guys? Smasher XD here, and welcome back to another awesome video. So today, guys, we are back in the New Year's once again in the XD universe. So today, guys, we are back in Super Smash Bros. Once again today, guys. And today in Super Smash Bros. We're going to be doing a challenge with 4 members of the Welding family between Smasher XD, Golden Wolf Boy 454, Green Falcon, and Silver Falcon. And in Super Smash Bros. Today, we're going to be testing their abilities. So they're gonna fight a bunch of Mii Brawlers each, and whoever has the highest score wins. And then at the end, we're gonna do a fatal 4-way between them in a fatal 4-way match to see who's the best Mii fighter of the Welding family. So let's see who wins and gets the record done. So let's do this thing. Here we go. So first up, actually wait, did I just click on my character? I don't want to go first. I actually want to go last. So we're gonna start off with. Hang on. One sec. Let me go up. We're going to start off with. Hang in there, guys. One sec. Dude, that makes so many. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna start off with Silver Falcon. Let's see how he does first. So let's do this thing. Here we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're on the road for right now to 900 subscribers. We're very close at 100, guys. So you guys keep it up in the XD universe. You guys are awesome. So here we go. Oh yeah. Activate the Silver Falcon wings. Double kill! Oh yeah, that's how XD does it! You know what? I'm gonna blow you guys up! Oh, ow! Really? Dude! Get out of here! Get out of here! Oh, we got Jigglypuff from Pokemon. No way, get out of here. What? Get out of here, Jigglypuff. Silver Falcon doing awesome right now. Alright, here we go. Activate the fire! Oh yeah! Kick it! Oh yeah! Ow! I'll take that, thank you. Diddy Kong just got eliminated. Silver Falcon bringing the fight. Hopefully my buddy Silver Falcon is watching this video because he's gonna like this. Because he's kicking some serious butt right now. Oh yeah! This is how XD does it! Woohoo! Come on, y'all! You know what? I got a present for you, even though it's not Christmas anymore. Get blown up! Oh, double kill! Oh yeah! Oh great, now Rob. Oh, Rob, chill out! Ow, 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 ow! Rob? Chill out. Dude, I have to get Rob out of here. There we go. He's gone. Jeez. That was scary. Activate the Silver Falcon gun. Ow, ow! Dude! Chill out, will ya? Oh! Whoa! Ow! Get out of here! Ah, dang it, now. Oh, okay, no. Just because there are a few Mii Brawlers, you don't get to get any points on. Ow! Ugh. Oh no, you don't. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All I have to do now is kick for that. Oh my god. I'm not. I ain't going down like that. No. Oh god. No. No! No! Silver Falcon was so close. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. I had to take care of something. Dude, how did Silver Falcon fail that? Dude, he was so close. There was 2 people left. Well, at least this was his first try anyway, so... in the past, though, he almost won, but it's okay. I mean, he did well. Alright, so Silver Falcon, got defeated 98, so that's 98 for him. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Pause the match. You can't try again. Yeah, you have to quit, buddy. You have to go back. Sorry, guys, that was my fault. Okay, so Silver Falcon killed 98. Let's see who's next. Alright. Alright. Now, who's next? Silver Falcon already did his. Next up is Green Falcon. Let's see if he can win. Let's see if he can get a higher score than Silver Falcon. Here we go. Alright, Green Falcon, it's time. Activate your Green Falcon wings. Oh yeah! Green Falcon wings, activate for the welding fam. Oh, ow. Ow. Yeah, really? No. Oh my goodness, I just lost a weapon. Oh, get out. No. I ain't dying today. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Think you're gonna kill me? Ow! Oh my goodness. Guys, I think Green Falcon might die here because he's at 44 health. If he dies here, this is not gonna be good. Come on, Green Falcon, show him what you got. Ah! To let you guys know this, without recording these videos, guys, I won so many of these in the past in Super Smash Bros. Like, I'm a Super Smash Bros. King. Actually, I'm really good at this game. Oh my goodness. I'm at 79 health. No. Samus, get out of here. Oh! Oh my god. No. No! No. I'm not going to die. Oh god. No. Activate Green Falcon wings. Yes! Samus? Get out. Dude, would you stop attacking me? You mind your business and I'll mind mine. Get out of here, Samus. Oh gosh. Oh god. No. There we go. Yes, good job. Alright. Blow him up. Oh! Get out. Ugh. Let's go, Green Falcon. That's why I chose you to be in the welding fam. Oh, jeez. Green Falcon wings. Oh, yeah. No! Oh god! No. Lucario? Don't you dare. You're not gonna kill him. Not to. Oh god. He has the gun. I gotta dodge him. No. Oh, absolutely not! Oh god. Oh! Lucario! Cut it out! Oh, what a smash! That's how SD does it! Oh gosh. Ooh. Oh no, you don't. Lucario! My god! You know what? You have got to go. Get out of here. Come on, Green Falcon, you got this. You know what? Just gotta get rid of all of them. We got 5 more. John, get out of here. Oh god, Green Falcon might win, guys. Oh! Green Falcon! You won! Dude, that deserves a victory picture. Guys, Green Falcon just won! That is awesome! That's how FC does it. I mean, sorry, Silver Falcon. Hey, you almost won too, man, but Green Falcon just won. Alright, good job, Green Falcon. Dude, that was quite a battle. Alright, let's go back. Alright. Alright. Next up is Golden Wolf Boy, and then it's Smasher XD's turn. And then we do the Fatal 4-Way to see who's the best Mii fighter. Alright. Or guys, if one of them win, we can't do the Fatal 4-Way. We're gonna have to do a one-on-one match to see who's the best Mii fighter. That's what we're gonna do. If one of them wins. Alright. So next up is Golden Wolf Boy 454. Here we go. Time to unleash his wolf powers. Here we go. So far, Silver Falcon defeated 98, and Green Falcon just won the whole thing. So let's see how many Golden Wolf Boy can eliminate. First thing, and then it's the Blood Shark, Smasher XD's turn. Alright, here we go. Let's do this! Man, Golden Wolf Boy's unleashing his wolf powers. Ow! Hey! What did I say about using the sword on me? Yo, dude, you mind your business and I'll mind mine, okay? I was working here, okay? Jeez. Ow! You know what? Give me that blow-up power. You know what? You guys are getting power. And you. And you. And you. Yeah, Corn, you're. Ah, go! Oh, gosh. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Oh. Oh yeah! Golden Wolf Boy 454 Wolf! Activate Wolf Claws! Yeah guys, these are his powers I made up for him. Actually he made up himself, but he's helping me out and stuff. Get out of here! Wait, who's... Oh, Isabel? Really? Get out! Oh! Get out of here, Isabel. What? How did that not kill her? Oh, yep, there she goes. She's dead. Oh, no, she's not dead. Oh. Dude! Would you all chill out? I'm busy here. Jeez. I'm working here. Get out of here. You've got to go. Jeez. Oh, dude. I'm just too crowded. Get out of here. Oh. Oh, God, not. Wait. Oh, there's 10? Oh my god. Oh no! Oh no! No! Golden Wolf Boy! Oh, dude. Man. First 10 from Street Fighters comes in and I get blown up. Are you serious? You know what? That was not funny. That was not funny. Mii Fighters? I want to fight Mii Fighters. My bad. Oh gosh, I'm sorry guys, dude. I mean, Golden Wolf Boy did well. He defeated 72. So far, Green Falcon is winning so far. But guys, it is time for the Blood Shark to enter this match. Alright. Let's see if Smasher XD can get a high score. Here we go. Alright, Smasher XD. It's go time. You got a high score right there, so let's do this thing. Here we go. Alright, it's go time to win this game. Here we go. Time for the Blood Shark to activate Smasher XD powers. Ugh. Alright, here we go. Oh, how did I miss that? Ugh, get out of here. What? Ugh. Nothing more that I love doing than kicking butt and hanging out with my buddies. Ugh. That's what I do in the Smash Bros. Life. Oh, that's how FD does it. Does it? There we go. Sorry, I missed. Oh yeah, now I'm gonna smash you. Oh shoot, Falco, not you. Get out of here. You're not gonna ruin it for me. Get out of here, Falco. I'm sorry, Falco. You're an awesome character, but you gotta go. Sorry. Oh, dude, cut it out. Get out of here. Hey, what did I tell you? Smashing's my thing. Stop trying to steal my catchphrases. Get out of here. I'm just gonna keep smashing everybody. Whoever wants to fight. Ow. Oh. Alright, you know what? This'll eliminate all of you. Goodbye. Oh. Okay, you wanna punch me? You wanna punch me? You know what? Oh my gosh. If she would have eliminated me right that, I would have been so mad right there. That was really close. You know what? It's time for the fire weapon. Ugh. 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 No. Lucario, you got rid of Silver Falcon. It's not gonna happen again. Oh wait, that wasn't Lucario. That was Grand Ninja. My bad. I thought that was Lucario. Sorry, I'm too focused right now, guys. I could have sworn that was Lucario. Dude, could you chill out? Chill out, alright. Ow, dull. Give me back my weapon. Same it ain't your weapon. You know what? You can have it for right now. Because I'm going to get a new weapon. Thank you. Have fun because you guys are about to get blown up. Goodbye. Not gonna happen, Meta Knight. Get out of here. Wait, was that Meta Knight that just came in? From Kirby? I couldn't tell. We're doing well. There we go. Oh, no. You are not getting my health down. No way. Absolutely not. Get out of here. Oh, hey, stop it. You know what? Since you guys want to play Fight Dirty, I'll fight dirty too. Yeah, check this out, huh? I can fight dirty too. Yeah, I'm dodging all your attacks. Here we go. I got this. No. Oh god, no! Come on, Smash Red D! There you go. Alright, sir. Oh shoot. Dark Pit, no. Dark Pit, please. Please! There you go! I can seriously do this. One more. Yes! We did it, guys! Smash Red D got the win! Let's go! Oh yeah, dude, that was so stressful. Victory picture for the Blood Shark. Oh yeah, that's how XD does it. Woo! Okay, but guys, you know what I just realized? We have to do something else first, before we do the Fatal 4-Way. Well, turns out, guys, Smasher XD just got eliminated all of them. Green Falcon just eliminated all of them, but Silver Falcon and Golden Wolf Boy, Silver Falcon got 98 and Golden Wolf Boy got 72. So I think we're gonna have to do a one-on-one match between Smasher XD and Green Falcon. I think we should do that. What do you guys think? I think we should. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So before we do the Fatal 4-Way, this match is gonna be awesome. It is gonna be Smasher XD taking on Green Falcon of the Welding fam. You know what? Let's put his level at 6. Yeah, let's do that. So, Smasher XD versus Green Falcon with 4 lives. Who will be the best? Who will win this match for this video? And then the Fatal 4-Way. So let's do this thing. Here we go. Alright, Green Falcon. Let's see what you got. We have 4 lives each. Oh, okay. Dude, this guy's running the fight. Whoa! Okay, Green Falcon, you've been training, huh, buddy? Oh. Well, guess what? So am I! Get out of here! Haha! That's the. Oh, no, no, no. No, that's mine. Oh, you know what? You know what? Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. No. Hey! Hey, put that down. That's mine. Give it back. Okay. You want to get, General Gully from Street Fighter? I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness. You know what? Ow! Okay. You know what? I'm gonna smash. You know what? I'm gonna smash you. Street Fighter. Oh! Okay. Okay. Come here. Oh, you're using your Green Falcon wings? Come here. Oh, no, you don't. It's my smash. Oh, God. Get out of here. I'm not getting. No, 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 no. I ain't getting involved. You better not hit me with that. You're not gonna hit me with that, Green Falcon. It's not gonna happen. Oh, shoot, it is gonna happen. No. Oh, gosh. Green Falcon, please. Oh. Oh! That just killed me. Now I have 2 lives. Are you kidding me? You know what? I had enough, Green Falcon. You're going down. Get out of here. And now you're gonna get blown up. Or not. Ugh. Oh! You wanna block me? Ugh. Yeah, that's what I thought. Come here. Come here, you. Ooh. No! Oh! Oh! Oh, shoot, I'm not sure. Well, now you can't see me, huh? Get over here. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Get out! Now you have 1 life left, Green Falcon, and I'm gonna end you for good with this rocket bullet. Or not. Or not, you can just block me. Okay. Oh. Oh! Sorry about that, guys. I had to take care of something real quick. Alright, here we go. Now, back to the battle. Come here, Green Falcon. Ah. I'm gonna win. Yeah, get that off me. Get out of here. Oh, yeah. Victory picture. Man, he was putting up a fight. Smash Red Steve wins. Oh, yeah. I'm saving that battle. That was perfect. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so for the end of this video, this is the main event. The fatal 4-way match between the 4 members of the welding fam. Smash Red Steve, Golden Wolf Boy 454, Green Falcon, and Silver Falcon. Let's do this thing. Here we go. And each of us have 4 lives. Who will be the last one standing in this epic match? Here we go. Ugh. Oh, woohoo! Oh yeah, I'm gonna smash you. I'm gonna take. Oh! Oh! You wanna team up on me? You wanna team up on me, huh? Oh! Oh, we hit each other. That was awesome. Oh, yeah. Bye-bye, Silver Falcon. Oh! You couldn't use your Silver Falcon wins on that. Oh, oh, shoot. Oh, dang, I have 3 lives. No! Golden Wolf for you, fruitcake. Alright, you want? You like pasta? Eat my fire breath. Ugh. Oh, oh no, 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 no. I'm gonna heal up. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys fight. I'm gonna heal up. Green Falcon, leave me alone. Green Falcon, you mind your business and I'll mind mine. Oh shoot. No, 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 no. That Smash Ball's mine. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. It's mine. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yes! You just messed me up, and I just died. My Smash Ball just messed me up. Just my luck. You know what? Just for that, you're going down. Oh! I'm frozen in midair. Oh, shit. Wow, Shadow, really? Now I have 2 lives left. Are you kidding me? You know what? Oh, shoot. You're not supposed to get on me. Alright, Green Falcon has 3 lives. I only have 2, which is not good. Oh. Oh. Oh no. No, 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 no. I'm not doing that. You know what? You all are gonna eat. Yeah, that's right. You wanna mess with me? You all can have it. Oh, no, no, no. Waluigi! Waluigi? Chill out. I'm not... Oh, shoot. Ooh. Oh! Yeah! Oh no! I have 1 life! No! You know what? No, 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 no. Yeah. Oh, Golden Wolf Boy's eliminated! Now it's battle between Smash XD and the Falcons. Get out of here. You know what? No, I'm getting some backup. Dr. Oh, it's Dr. I don't know, Panic or something? No, no, no. No, no, no. I forget his name, guys, but this character's from Mega Man. I'm gonna get some help. Let's go. Ah, Green Falcon's done. It's just you and me, Silver Falcon. 1 life to 1 life. Get out of here! Oh yeah! That's how SD does it! We won, guys! Oh yeah! That's what's up! Smasher SD with the win! Victory picture! Man, you guys did awesome. The Welding fam did awesome. They were putting up a fight. I'm saving that one. There we go. Alright guys, well... Alright guys, well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. So if you guys enjoyed, definitely go ahead, smash that like button right now, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, make sure to turn on those notifications, and make sure to subscribe to my buddy Golden Wolf Boy 454's channel, and his TikTok, and my friend's channel, The Welding Fam, if you haven't already. Also remember to subscribe to check out his girlfriend, Sparkle Girl's channel as well. She started being a YouTuber. She wanted to be a YouTuber actually in 2021, but she actually started in 2022. So, yeah, go sub to her as well. She's also a member of The Welding Fam. Yeah, guys, so, remember, like I said, I continue doing this for a very long time along with all the other jobs I'm doing. I'm not just going to be some ordinary YouTuber. I will be an awesome YouTuber with vlogs, gaming, welding, and awesome stuff just for you guys in the future. And this channel ain't going anywhere anytime soon. The XD universe is staying right here. And make sure to turn on those notifications, guys, because if you guys didn't know that Welding Fam profile picture I made of the Welding Fam universe, if you guys saw that, I posted on one of my YouTube short videos. Yeah, but I hope you guys stay tuned because I'm making another profile picture that's going to look really, really cool. And I hope you guys get to see it when I post it. So, yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. And we're on the road for right now to 900 subscribers. But for right now, we're very, very close at 100 subscribers. So keep that up, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Tell all your friends to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, if you guys are fans of the XD universe. And, yeah, guys, so thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. That's how XD does it. XD out.